Hello everyone. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make an effigy of Ravana at home with papers in a very simple way. And along with this, I will also tell you the significance of Dussehra festival and the reason why we burn the effigy of Ravana on Dussehra every year. Let's start. So my effigy of Ravana is ready for Dussehra. After the 9-day celebration of Navratri, on the 10th day, we celebrate Dussehra, where we burned the effigy of Ravana. Dussehra is made up of two words. Das means 10 and Hara means destroy. Dussehra marks the day when the 10 evil faces of Ravana were destroyed by Lord Rama. The 10 evil faces of Ravana were anger, hatred, insensitivity, greed, selfishness, fear, sadness, ego, jealousy, and regret. The significance of the Dussehra festival must be taught to kids. To celebrate the victory of Lord Rama over the demon king Ravana, or to celebrate the good over evil, every year on Dussehra we burn the effigies of Ravana along with his brother Kumbhakarna and son Meghnad. All over India, effigies of Ravana are built and destroyed to celebrate the good over evil. Huge effigies are built in Delhi, Shastrinagar and Noida. And this year you can make your own effigy of Ravana with papers at home to celebrate the festival of Dussehra. If you are new to my channel, then click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for such more interesting things. Happy Dussehra to all of you.